Hi, this is Jay from LifeRx Wellness, and today we're going to talk about client attraction, how to attract the client, and how to book, increase your percent of booking. And that's as important because I see the therapists make the same mistake, and it's no need to guessing, no need to, like I said, create the bicycle. It's already been designed and it's already been there. So you can just kind of upgrade, tune up your bicycle. So same with the clients. We have a strategy. It's a 5-step strategy. It's right on this wall, and it's easy to understand this, why we're doing this 5-step, and get to this successful rebooking clients or return clients to you. And that's important. So because we spend a lot of money on advertising, but we don't focus on that client attraction plan, the step-by-step strategy. So if you are a member, this video is available on our YouTube and Patreon channel. If you're not, sign up. It's only $5.99 to learn how to grow your massage business. Small business in, let's say, in the health industry. It's great for the personal trainer. It's basically great for everyone if you follow that step. So sign up, look at that class, learn and start using, and stop losing time, because the time, that's the real value of our life. So sign up with the Patreon. We'll see you there.